So why you wonder we have a pot of boiling water is to exfoliate my skin. Hi guys, welcome back. So right now we're going to do the chicken dish, which is inspired by me going on TikTok when I was on my throne. So this is the fiery noodles with lemon pepper chicken. First things we're going to do is to marinate the chicken. Wash it up first and then put it in the fridge uncovered so that the skin will be dry, and then when we deep fry it, it'll be crispy. For me, I just put some ground paprika. Black pepper give the depth, white pepper give the spiciness to it. And then some seasoning powder, chicken seasoning. I want to be sophisticated. Okay, so pink salt. Cracked. So now we fry the marinated wing tips, okay, which has been sitting there for the past 10 minutes. Hot oil. When you deep fry something, okay, do not crowd the whole pan or pot. Shock and smell. For this wing tip, right, because it's small, around maybe high heat, 6 to 8 minutes, it's fine. Just there is where some of the coagulated blood is, okay. So when the coagulated blood, right, it doesn't run like very cloudy, okay, it just blacken like that. That means it's fully cooked. Okay, so remove. Who doesn't love fried chicken? I unfriend you. Okay, really unfriend. Okay, so making the lemon pepper sauce. Generous amount of butter and melt it down. Do not heat it up, just melt it down. Do not burn it. So you need to really take care of the temperature. Okay. Then in goes the garlic. So this butter and garlic, it's like match made in heaven. So it will pull anybody who is near. Alright, with the aroma that it exudes. Next is the lemon. So the acidity with the garlic and the butter, my goodness. And to bring this sauce together, right, okay, to coagulate it together, to bind it, honey. And of course, pepper. What is lemon pepper without pepper? It's a touch of pepper, a bit of a pretentious salt. So once you put in the fried chicken inside, it will just cover the whole chicken. It hugs the chicken. Very nice. Okay, next side. So you're gonna do the chicken. Alright. Take your sauce and just toss the chicken in the sauce. Glistening like my bald head.
Sibuk lah Uncle Ramen siul.
Now why you wonder we have a pot of boiling water is to exfoliate my skin. Itulah. It's not the noodles lah. Okay? It's hot lah. Bodoh je. Thai asparagus. You can have the tip. Okay. So it's up to you what kind of spicy noodles you want to use. Okay. What you want to do is you take the sauce first. So next I'm gonna add the egg yolk, okay, into the sauce. Some sort like a carbonara to suppress the spiciness. Mix up the egg yolk inside the sauce, right? So that when we put in the hot noodles inside, okay, it will cook the yolk without scrambling it. Just put the asparagus tips. I don't want to have the rest of the body inside. Noodles in and cook it as the packaging asks you to cook. Maybe like 2-3 minutes. Okay, I put the seaweed inside because this one is my son's favorite. Straight away put in the cheese so that it can melt in the hot noodles. Okay, hot noodles. While it's hot, you need to mix so that the egg yolk just cook and coat it. Why I put like egg yolk, cheese, and lemon pepper is just to suppress the spiciness. That's it. Okay. Drop in some asparagus and the garnish that comes with the packet noodles. Okay, and just pour it all over. some bonito flakes for good measure. And there you have it. Spicy ramen noodles with lemon pepper wings. For the first time in my life, I'm dreading eating something that I cook. So let's go. For your viewers' sake, my pain is your pleasure. Let's go. We eat the noodles first. Then suppress the spiciness with the wings. Not bad eh? Not bad. Stomach burning guys. Stomach. Cannot lah. Oh, too spicy. Cut lah.